The Ultrasonic Humidifier AeroSwiss U200 provides humidification of the air in the room and is especially distinguished by the following features. Powerful and visible humidification. A variable output control. The automatic shutoff when the water level is low. The fragrance container can be used with any essential oil. Blue water illumination. The water is transformed into a microfine mist by means of high-frequency vibrations and released into the air of the room. The demineralization cartridge guarantees water mist without mineral residue. This kind of humidification is extremely quiet and very efficient. Maintaining the optimal water quality is ensured by the newly developed ionic silver stick. Place the AeroSwiss U200 in an elevated position, for example on a table or a dresser. Connect the supplied adapter to the unit. You can turn the U200 on or off with the rotary switch, which enables you also to adjust the humidity output. The mist nozzle can be turned in any desired direction. The water of the U200 is illuminated by an integrated blue light. If desired, the water illumination can also be switched off. The fragrance container can be used with any essential oil. Sprinkle a few drops of oil on the fleece pad or use cotton as an alternative. Then reinsert the container. If the water level indicator lights up red, the U200 has to be refilled with water. The U200 can be disassembled in a few easy steps. Depending on the water hardness, the demineralization cartridge must be replaced every 2 to 3 months. For that, the cartridge can be either comfortably replaced by a new one or eco-friendly be refilled. The refill package includes everything for 3 refillings. Place the supplied styrofoam piece in the middle opening of the demineralization cartridge. Pour the contents of 1 refill bag into the cup, which is included in the package. Fill the granules this way cleanly into the cartridge. Now remove the cup and the styrofoam piece and close the cover. In both versions, the cartridge must be soaked in clean water for 24 hours. The ionic silver stick must be replaced once every season. Cleaning of the unit is very easy. Switch the U200 off, pull the cable out and remove the ionic silver stick. The fragrance container must also be removed. To clean the unit, we recommend to use exclusively Calc-Off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent Calc-Off with clean and hot water, 1 pack per 1 liter. Fill the nebulizer space with the Calc-Off mixture and let it take effect for at least 1 hour. The base and the ultrasonic membrane can be cleaned using the included cleaning brush. Rinse the Calc-Off carefully with clear water. Please ensure that no water enters into the ventilation opening. Remove the demineralization cartridge before you clean the water tank. The nozzle can be removed as well to facilitate easy cleaning. The water tank can also be cleaned very efficiently with Calc-Off. Allow the Calc-Off mixture to soak in. A damp cloth is best suited for surface cleaning. The cleaning is completed, fast and easy. After the U200 is reassembled, it can be refilled with water. Aero Swiss U200. Improving your quality of life.